set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Boys of Meadows. Break quick, let us start. Alakdan rushing for the outside. Batang Rosario Handog. Then comes Kaluguran, Coraggioso. Next online is Divine Power. Charm Offensive. Comes next, Aliana second last. While Miss Tiloya is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Boys of Meadows says why we followed. If we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a length lead. Alakdan is right behind in second. Handog is racing in third. Then comes number 8, and this one is Batang Rosario, Coraggioso, Kaluguran, Charm Offensive, Divine Power, Aliana second last, while Miss Tiloy is still in last. Inside the tres octavo, Boys of Meadows, Alakdan, applying a little pressure now on the outside. Then comes Batang Rosario, moving up on the outside, Charm Offensive. Then comes Kaluguran, Coraggioso. Then comes Handog, next online, Divine Power, Aliana, and Miss Tiloy. And as they swing to home, the lead now belongs to Alakdan. Boys of Meadows is running by the rail, and in third comes Batang Rosario. Last 100 meters, Alakdan. Boys of Meadows, Batang Rosario is down in third, and finally it's going to be Boys of Meadows. Alakdan, Batang Rosario, Kaluguran.
Alright. So, Boys of Meadows, driven by JB Visa, crossing the wall first, over number 7, Alakdan, then Batang Rosario,